dairy has helped us to overcome the restriction that society has had on us. We overcome the biggest barrier of connecting with the ministry.
The farm is very good for the little flower. Here is a lot of demand for milk because our milk is very, very fresh.
When little flower went out of its cocoon, a cocoon of social stigma, the first it did was to bring milk out. We got a cow and then we started selling the milk. Nobody wants to buy the milk. Nobody wants to drink the milk. They even didn't want to take a free milk. But a few people came out and then they started opening up, and now the demand of milk is so much we've not been able to meet that demand.
5,000 kg.
With the help of LÉGER, we're trying to modernize it, we try to expand it, we try to deepening our activity.
This is good for the cow, but if you wait some more, you will have more of the plant with the same quality. And from that moment, the percentage of protein in the plant will rapidly go down.
If all the department heads make a committee and will discuss about the little flower and work together about and think about the cattle farm, then I sure cattle farm will go very, very high.
This has a future for us. It has given a work to people who don't get work outside, and then it also brings good health to the children and the peasants. Now LÉGER is helping us to stand on our feet, which is a very, very major area, and this is the right direction that LÉGER is going towards. People never thought they would come here and then stay here. Now they are getting water from here and they are getting milk from here. People also see the people coming from foreign is staying here. That means it is a better place. And city, whole city feels very proud of Little Flower.